Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 6 best miter saws you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these picks will help you get the job done right. All product links are down in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Let's jump right into it. Number 6. Works 20V Cordless Sliding Miter Saw. The Works 20V Cordless Sliding Miter Saw is a high-performance tool designed for woodworking tasks. It is part of the Works Nitro series, which is known for stronger power, better performance, and longer battery life. This saw runs on a 20V battery, giving users the freedom to work without cords, although the battery and charger are sold separately. For the best performance, Works recommends using their PowerShare Pro batteries, specifically the Western Australia 3012 4.0Ah or Western Australia 3571 5.0Ah. This miter saw is designed to be easy to use, even for those with smaller workshops. It features a built-in clamp that holds the wood securely on both sides of the blade, which makes cutting safer and more accurate. The saw blade is made from high-speed steel and has a cutting capacity of up to 8¼ inches, allowing it to handle a wide range of wood sizes and types. To help make precise cuts, the saw includes a light that creates a shadow line, showing where the blade will cut. This feature is especially useful for fine, detailed work. The blade can also be tilted up to 45 degrees, allowing users to make bevel cuts with accuracy. This function is controlled by an adjustable knob for ease of use. The saw also has a depth adjustment feature, which lets users control how deep the blade cuts. This is useful for creating grooves or dado slots. It comes with preset angles, known as miter detents, which make it simple to cut common angles like 45 degrees and 90 degrees, ideal for framing or trim work. For larger pieces of wood, the saw includes sliding extension wings that help support the material during cuts. Dust can be a major issue in any woodworking environment, so this saw includes a dust bag and a dust extraction system that helps reduce the amount of sawdust in the air and on your workbench. This makes cleanup easier and helps maintain a safer workspace. The saw is compact and lightweight, weighing only 21 pounds. This makes it easy to carry around the workshop or take to different job sites. Despite its light weight, the saw has a sturdy aluminum base that gives it the strength and stability needed for tough jobs. It has a smaller arbor, allowing the motor to spin the blade faster than full-size models. This reduces strain on the tool and helps extend its lifespan. The saw also features a molded handle for a comfortable grip and easy operation. The precision machine guide rails hold your wood firmly in place and are simple to adjust. Included with the saw are a 40-tooth TCT blade, work holding lever, extension wings, a dust bag, and a blade key. This model is a tool-only version, meaning it does not come with a battery or charger. These must be purchased separately. Overall, the Works 20V Cordless Sliding Miter Saw offers excellent performance in a compact, user-friendly design. It is suitable for a wide variety of woodworking projects and is especially useful for those looking for a portable, accurate, and powerful saw. Number 5. Makita LS 1219L 12-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Makita LS 1219L 12-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw with laser is a powerful and precise cutting tool made for people who work with wood or do home improvement projects. It uses a strong 15-amp direct drive motor that starts smoothly and delivers steady power during cuts. This design has no belts, which means less maintenance and longer life for the saw. One of the special features of this saw is its unique 2-steel rail sliding system. This allows the saw to move smoothly while taking up less space, so you can place it close to a wall without losing functionality. This is helpful if you have a small workshop or limited space. The Makita LS 1219L can handle large cutting tasks. It cuts up to 8 inches of crown molding when nested vertically, 6¾ inches of baseboard standing up, and can make crosscuts up to 15 inches wide at 90 degrees. These capacities make it suitable for both small and large jobs, such as installing trim or framing wood pieces. The saw can miter left and right from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, with preset stops at common angles like 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. This makes it easy to set the correct angle for cutting corners. The bevel lock is in the front, making it simple and quick to tilt the blade from 0 degrees to 48 degrees in either direction. This is great for complex cuts where the blade needs to tilt and rotate at the same time. A laser guide is built into the saw to show you exactly where the blade will cut. You can adjust the laser slightly left or right of the blade, depending on your needs. This makes your cuts more accurate and easier to line up, even before you start cutting. The saw also has 2 dust collection ports, which help keep your workspace clean. You can use the included dust bag or connect a vacuum, sold separately, to collect the dust more efficiently. This is especially useful if you are cutting indoors or want to reduce cleanup time. Other helpful features include a see-through blade guard, so you can clearly see the blade and your cutting line while working, and an electric brake that quickly stops the blade when you release the trigger for safety. It also includes a 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, which is strong and durable, offering smooth cuts. The large aluminum base makes the saw stable and keeps your material steady while cutting. The color design, silver, blue, black, and orange, gives it a clean and professional look. This saw is cord-powered, so you don't need to worry about battery life during long projects. Overall, the Makita LS1219L is a high-quality miter saw that combines power, precision, and convenience. It's perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need a reliable tool for making accurate cuts on wood and trim materials. Number 4. SKL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. The SKL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a strong and easy-to-use saw for woodworking and home projects. It's powered by a 15-amp motor that spins the blade at 4,800 RPM, giving it the power to make fast and clean cuts through different types of wood. This miter saw is a dual bevel model, which means the blade tilts both left and right. You can tilt the blade to 4 set positions, 48 degrees and 45 degrees to the left, 0 degrees, straight up, and 45 degrees to the right. This makes it easy to make angled and compound cuts without having to flip the wood. One of the standout features is the LED shadow line system. Instead of using a laser, this feature casts a shadow of the blade onto the wood, showing exactly where the cut will be. It's more accurate than traditional lasers and helps you make precise cuts. The saw has a cutting capacity of up to 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees and 2x8 lumber at 45 degrees. This means you can use it for larger boards and thick pieces of wood, making it great for framing, molding, or furniture work. The miter system lets you rotate the saw up to 50 degrees left or right. It has 11 positive stop positions at common angles, so you can quickly set it to the angle you need. The miter plate is made from stainless steel, which adds durability, and a cam miter lock knob makes it easy to lock in angles and repeat the same cut multiple times with accuracy. The saw includes tall sliding fences, which support 4.5 base molding when cutting vertically and 6.25 crown molding when placed in a nested position. These fences help keep your materials steady and well supported during cuts. For safety and comfort, the saw has a horizontal grip handle with a safety trigger that works for both left and right-handed users. There's also a quick work clamp that holds the wood firmly in place while you cut, helping prevent slipping and making the work safer. Despite all these features, the saw is still lightweight and easy to move. It has a built-in carrying handle, so you can take it with you to different job sites or move it around your workshop with ease. The blade is made of high-speed steel, which is strong and long-lasting. The saw is corded electric, so you'll need a power outlet nearby, but you won't have to worry about battery life during longer projects. Overall, the SKL 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a great tool for people who need accurate, powerful, and easy-to-use equipment for cutting wood. It's good for both professionals and DIY users who want high performance in a portable design. Number 3. Bosch GCM 12SD Sliding Glide Miter Saw. The Bosch GCM 12SD 12-inch dual bevel sliding glide miter saw is a powerful, accurate, and space-saving saw made for both professionals and serious DIYers. It uses a 15-amp corded motor that delivers speeds up to 4,000 RPM, allowing it to cut wood quickly and cleanly. One of the best features of this saw is Bosch's axial glide system. This is a special design that replaces traditional rail systems with a glide arm. It lets the saw move smoothly and gives you wider cross cuts while also saving space. Because of this design, The saw can sit closer to the wall, saving up to 12 inches of workspace, great for small shops or tight work areas. This saw offers excellent cutting capacity. It can cut up to 14 inches wide horizontally, 6.5 inches high vertically, and also cut 6.5-inch crown molding when placed against the fence. That makes it suitable for big jobs like framing, baseboards, and large moldings. For accuracy and convenience, the Bosch GCM12SD includes easy-to-read bevel and miter scales. These stainless steel scales have clear markings and detents, preset angles, at commonly used positions like 0 degrees, 33.9 degrees, and 45 degrees left and right. This means you can quickly set up the correct cutting angles. There are also roof pitch angles marked on the scale, useful for construction work. The saw includes square lock fences that keep your wood at exactly 90 degrees without needing extra adjustments. You can also easily slide the fence with a one-touch lock/unlock system, giving your workpiece better support. To make bevel adjustments even easier, all controls are located up front. This means you don't have to reach behind the saw to tilt the blade. There's a metal bevel lock lever and range selector, both built for durability and quick use. Dust control is another strength of this saw. It has one of the best dust collection systems in its class. When connected to a vacuum, it can collect up to 90% of dust when cutting standard 2X lumber. This helps keep your workspace cleaner and safer. The Bosch GCM12SD comes with a 12-inch 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, a toolless vertical work clamp, a dust bag, a vacuum adapter, and a wrench. These included items let you start using the saw right out of the box. Its dimensions are 32.38 inches long, 26.5 inches wide, and 27 inches tall when the saw head is up and at the 0 degrees position. The saw also features a clear lower blade guard, giving you a full view of the cutting line for more precise work. In summary, the Bosch GCM12SD miter saw is built for power, precision, and ease of use. With its unique glide system, strong motor, excellent dust control, and accurate angle settings, it's a top choice for people who need a reliable and professional-grade miter saw. Number 2. DeWalt Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The DeWalt DWS 779 12-inch sliding compound miter saw is a strong and dependable tool designed for accurate wood cutting in construction, carpentry, and DIY projects. It uses a powerful 15-amp motor that runs at 3,800 RPM, providing enough strength to cut through thick and tough wood with ease. This makes it suitable for daily work, whether on a job site or in a home workshop. The saw can handle large pieces of wood. It cuts 2-inch by 14-inch boards straight across at 90 degrees and 2-inch by 10-inch boards at a 45-degree angle. It also supports 6 3/4-inch baseboards when placed vertically and 7.5-inch crown molding when nested. This cutting capacity allows it to work well for trimming, framing, and furniture making. The miter system is built with a stainless steel detent plate that includes 10 positive stops. These stops help users quickly choose common cutting angles without guessing. The camlock miter handle makes angle adjustments fast and secure. The detent override feature lets you set custom angles without the blade slipping out of place. The bevel feature allows the blade to tilt both left and right, from 0 to 48 degrees. This is useful for angled cuts on corners or joints. The bevel scale is large and easy to read, with positive stops for faster adjustments, making the saw more user-friendly and efficient. The tool includes tall sliding fences that support large vertical cuts. These fences give solid backing when cutting tall boards or moldings. The saw also uses dual horizontal steel rails with a special clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings. These parts keep the saw stable and improve cutting precision, while also ensuring it lasts a long time under heavy use. To keep the work area clean, the DWS 779 has a built-in dust collection system that captures over 75% of dust created during cutting. This reduces the amount of cleanup needed and improves air quality while working. The saw comes with a 12-inch stainless steel blade that is durable and sharp enough for smooth and clean cuts. Its structure is tough and well-designed, built to handle tough job conditions while staying accurate and easy to operate. Overall, the DeWalt DWS 779 miter saw offers power, precision, and easy operation. It's a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable saw for large wood-cutting tasks, from professionals on construction sites to hobbyists building furniture at home. Number 1. Metabo HPT 10-inch Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch Compound Miter Saw is a strong, lightweight, and easy-to-use power tool made for cutting wood with precision. It is ideal for both professional carpenters and people who enjoy woodworking at home. This saw is designed to deliver smooth and accurate cuts for different types of projects. It runs on a powerful 15-amp motor that can reach up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, RPM. This high speed helps you make clean and fast cuts through tough wood materials. Whether you're trimming boards or making angled cuts for furniture or frames, this saw has the strength to handle the job. One of the key features of this miter saw is its large 10-inch table. This gives you more space to support your material while cutting, which makes your work easier and safer. It also comes with a vise clamping system that holds the wood firmly in place so it doesn't move while you cut. The saw allows you to adjust the miter angles easily. You can turn the blade left or right up to 52 degrees to make angled cuts, and there are built-in positive stops so you can quickly set common angles. It also lets you tilt the blade to the left up to 45 degrees to make bevel cuts. These features make the saw flexible enough to handle different types of cuts, from simple straight cuts to complex angles. Despite its power, this saw is very lightweight. It weighs only 24.2 pounds, which makes it easy to carry to different job sites or move around your workspace. The compact size also makes it easy to store when not in use. The Metabo HPT miter saw comes with a 24-tooth TCT blade that is sharp and durable. It's good for general wood cutting, and you can upgrade the blade later if you need finer cuts. The handle and controls are designed to be comfortable and easy to use, so even if you're not experienced, you can operate the saw with confidence. This tool is built with high-quality materials and comes with a 5-year warranty, showing that the company stands behind its product. Metabo HPT is known for its Japanese-engineered tools that are made to last and perform well under pressure. In summary, the Metabo HPT 10-inch Compound Miter Saw is a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly tool that's perfect for anyone who needs to cut wood with accuracy. Its strong motor, flexible cutting options, and lightweight design make it a great choice for both professionals and beginners.